Welcome to On Target TV. Today we'll be testing the strength of our Global Vision Hercules safety glasses. First off, we're going to be testing with a custom Tokyo Marui P90 that's shooting 20 rounds a second at 425 feet per second with 0.2 gram BB. Looks like Global Vision wins this round, but next up we got a custom VSR-10 that's shooting 560 feet per second with 0.2s and 420 with 0.43s. We even shot it point blank. Well, now we know these things will stand up to an onslaught of BBs, so what exactly does it take to break these things? As you can see, the polycarbonate lenses bent but did not break when they launched away from their frame. Well, the lenses survived, and although the frames were destroyed, if your glasses are run over while you're wearing them, you've got other problems to worry about. All in all, I'd say I'd give these glasses a solid 2 thumbs up. Be sure to check out the complete line of Global Vision glasses and goggles, all featuring the same polycarbonate lenses. Check out these products and more at OnTargetAirsoft.com.